Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to download the Viber app on your Android device. It's super simple and I'll guide you through each step. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Look for the colorful icon with the triangle symbol on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap on the search icon on the bottom right of your screen. Next, tap on the search bar at the top and type in Viber. When you find Viber in the results, tap on Install. The app will start downloading and in a few moments it will be ready to use. After the installation is complete, go ahead and tap on the Viber icon, then follow each step to set up your Viber, and that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our tech videos. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys next time.